Are you bored? Are you tired of hard working and not getting paid enough? What if you could earn money just by listening to your favorite music? Yes, you heard that right. Today, in this video we'll show how you can earn up to $300+ by simply listening to music, through this simple to follow method. Paying attention to music is something that the greater part of us appreciate doing, yet did you had any idea about that you can bring in cash from it? Many people imagine that the best way to bring in cash online is through convoluted strategies like coding, stocks marketing, or maintaining a web-based business. Anyway, there are more straightforward ways of bringing in cash, and listen to music is one of them. Welcome to another video on the Money Access YouTube channel. We help regular people make money online using simple strategies and tools. I think it will help them a lot in their day-to-day life. Before we go to the video, make sure subscribe to channel and like the video. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Keep watching the video till the end because I have many secrets tell to you guys about how to make money listening through music. Today, the first website is called SoundCloud.com. Take advantage of this opportunity without investing a dime. Begin accessing an array of musical genres, all on one site completely free. On their homepage you can scroll down and see what's popular in the SoundCloud community. What's good about SoundCloud is that it's available across all devices. You can access SoundCloud from any device like computers, laptops, iPhones, and Android phones. For those with an Android phone, visit the Google Play Store and look for the orange color icon app that says SoundCloud. Installing it will ensure you have a seamless streaming experience. For those with an iPhone, you can easily acquire the SoundCloud app from your app store, and it's always totally free of charge. No payment is necessary to start enjoying all the perks this amazing platform has to offer. After you've successfully downloaded SoundCloud onto your device, you now have access to thousands of free songs and playlists. Now you're one step closer to earning $300+ every day with easy. The next step is to scroll down the home page and you will find a button that says, Explore Trending Playlists. Take a chance and click the link to visit another page, where all the top playlists are sorted into individual categories. You can see that there are lots of categories you can choose from. There's a workout option, relax, sleep, chill, party, or whatever you're looking for. SoundCloud has any kind of music to fit your mood. If you want to listen to a song, simply click on it and it will take you directly to the listening page. You'll be able to start streaming instantly with one simple click of the orange play button, and if you scroll down further, all other songs that are part of the same album or playlist as your current selection will appear. Enjoy music like never before, easily accessible in just a few clicks. So now, you know how to navigate SoundCloud. So, now I will show you how to make money through SoundCloud. This website called as Lyrics.com. You've probably already used or seen this website before when you were searching for the lyrics of your favorite songs. As you may or may not already know, As Lyrics is a website that stores thousands of song lyrics for all kinds of songs. You can also use the search feature if you're looking for something in particular. When you click on a song, you'll be taken to a page where you can listen to that song, and it has all the lyrics written down below it. You'll see that there's a title, and lyrics have been transcribed. So if you guessed how you can earn $300+ by listening to music yet? Well, the main idea here is that you will be listening to music and transcribing the lyrics, so you can start earning money online using this very easy method. You will be earning $1.25 for every single audio minute. Most songs are 2 to 3 minutes long, which means that you can earn up to $3.75 for each song that you transcribe. Some songs may be longer than this. Think of Bohemian Rhapsody, which is around 6 minutes long. With a song as long as that, you can earn $7.50 just by transcribing the lyrics. Now imagine how much you could earn just by repeating this process several times a day. Just think of how much you can earn if you really put in the time and effort to transcribe more than that. It depends on your effort and your time. There is another website I want to show you is called rev.com. There are different job opportunities here, where you can transcribe and earn money online. Their transcription option gives you $1.50 per minute, and it's the same with captions. For foreign subtitles, the rate is $5 to $12 per minute. To start earning $300+ online, what you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the site to the footer. You'll see an About section, and you just need to click on Freelancers. This will take you a page where you can sign up to create your own account on Reverend. The best thing about this type of job is that you can transcribe and caption from home at your own pace and time. You can work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. You also have the freedom to choose what kind of content you'd like to work on, and the payout here is weekly. When you scroll down, you'll see that you can become either a transcriptionist or captioner. We'll be using the transcriptionist option, so just click the Learn More button, and it'll take you to a page where you can read more about the job and sign up for your very own account on Reverend. No matter where you are in the world, you can apply to be a transcriptionist on rev.com, as they accept people from all around the globe. Now, just before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. The next website you can use to start earning over $300+ online is called GoTranscript.com. It's another site where you can earn money by transcribing. You can read more information about their jobs on their homepage. But what I want you to do is just scroll down to the very bottom and find the transcriptionist section. Under that, just click on Work, and it'll take you to a page where you can see the rates per audio or video minute, as well as how much you can earn per month. With an average 3-minute song, you can earn $1.80. Therefore, you'll have 18 after transcribing 10 songs, $36 after 20, and so on. To begin your journey, simply click on the Apply Now button. This will take you a page where all it takes is one more step. Press Sign Up and fill out your information. Then hit that same button to finish up. I highly suggest creating accounts on all the platforms we just went over so that you increase your income potential. Now I'm about to share with you a secret online platform that is going to make all of these transcribing jobs way too easy. Go to otranscribe.com and click on Start Transcribing. Are you beginning to understand what I'm doing here yet? You'll need to provide a link or upload an audio file to get started with the transcribing. You'll need to head back over to SoundCloud and select the track of your choice. You should be able to spot a share button, represented by an arrow in a box. Click on it, and copy the link for later use. After that's done, download the file itself. Then go back to Transcribe and choose Audio or Video File. Now this website is basically going to do all of the transcribing for us, and you just need to double check for any errors. Transcribing lyrics is not going to take you as much time as you thought with a free tool like this. You can automatically start transcribing dozens if not hundreds of psalms, as I mentioned before. You're now ready to earn money online just by listening to music. This is such an easy way to bring money into your hands. From everything that has been said, you will be aware that bringing in cash online is extremely simple. You simply need the follow right data, and you will rack in heaps of cash day to day without stress. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on that notification button, so that you will get the latest money-making tips next time I post a video. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.